I have decided to try to replace the battery in my lovely wife's Apple Watch. Luckily, it swelled up and it popped the glass off already. See, too, I got a new mat, which hopefully will help me keep this thing in frame as I'm trying to repair it. So the glass has already come off, so half of the battle is done. If the glass didn't come off, I wouldn't have tried to replace it. The battery, there's the battery there. So I've got the ifixit instructions, and I bought the ifixit kit. Now what the heck do you get in the kit, you're probably wondering. Well, you can look it up online and figure it out. See, I got my iPad there. That's where the ifixit instructions are. We got the infamous eye opener, which I won't need because the battery became the eye opener. Isn't that nice? I got one of these great little screwdriver bit holders, and the bits are inside, by the way, in case you were wondering. They're inside. I'm sure they get a lot of calls because they have a lot of notes on that. I got a couple guitar picky things. I got these great tweezers. So tweezy peasy, I hope. And they're the ifixit brand tweezers. I got one of these spalooger things to spalooge. I think it's a sport. And I got one of these stickers they supplied. I think that goes between the battery and somewhere. The force touch sensor. That's what that is. I don't know what that is. We're going to find out. The battery. Very battery-y. Some alcohol. 70%. And a knife. So there we have it. That's what we have to work with. And it came with this handy case. You'll probably use this case and other things. Alright, so we'll put all the tools away. Or to the side. I'm not going to need that. I don't think I'm going to need that. I don't think I'm going to need that. I'm definitely going to need that. I'm not going to need the eye opener. I'm going to need that and that. And I don't know if I'll need these or not. I don't need that. Alright, so here we go. Turn it off. Eye open. Step 3. Open it. Step 4. Pry up the screen. Step 5. Do some more prying. Step 6. Do some more prying. 7. 8. More prying. 9. More prying. 10. 11. I made it to step 12 already because the watch is already opened up from the battery swelling. So there it is. They say to scoot it over like this. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the band. It's going to make it a little bit easier for me to deal with. And this, by the way, is an Apple Watch Series 0. So I got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Because if it doesn't work, we'll just get the new Series 5 or whatever is out at the time we go and buy it. Alright, so they say to put it on a piece of wood or something. Do I have a piece of wood? No, I have one of these though. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some tape. Now we need to get out the battery. And they're saying to get one of these things and cut it. Alright, it is cut. So I can serve it. Oh, it's in there, isn't it? Trying to push it in and under. Look at the instructions one more time. Okay, so it comes out like that. It comes out from this end. It's prying out. Look at that, I did it. Okay. So now they're saying use the spalooger thing to disconnect it. Okay. Look at that, I got it out. Nice. The battery from the watch did that. Conclusion. Alright, now how do you put it back in? Alright, so now we'll do a little back test search. I guess I should have RTFM'd before getting started, but I didn't. I'm RTFMing now. Alright, so let's see what it includes. The adhesive gasket, opener, that, blade, the watch. Alright, I think I figured it out. Sucks getting old. Gotta wear glasses. I think I got it in there. Okay, so now we will take off the adhesive protector. Shove that in there. I'm not going to press it in all the way yet. I want to see if it turns on. Maybe dead. I may have to charge it. Okay. Alright, so we're going to take a break and I'm going to put this on the charger. Put it on the charger and it turned on. So yay, that's good. So now we're going to look at how to replace the gasket. Alright, so that says that's a force touch sensor. Look at that, it's sensory. So I guess I shouldn't have taken the... Disconnect that. Okay, we'll set this aside. Make that much of a difference. Okay, so now to do this, we have to do that, do that, do that. We did that, we did that, did that, that. We did step 16. Alright, now we're at step 17. Pull the screen over to the right to expose the cables underneath. Like this, they're saying. Oh, look at that. Okay. Display digitizer are secured beneath with a small metal bracket that's adhered to the speaker, the plastic opening tool. I think they're saying to disconnect the screen. Let's find out where those are. I think they're right here. It looks like the digitizer. Oh, there it is. Okay. Alright, that looks like the digitizer cable to me. It looks like it's still in good shape. No, it's broken right there. Yeah, it's broken. Okay. So that comes off. What is this? What is this thing right here? Oh yes, look at that little baby screw in there. Alright, so there's a little baby screw inside of there. We'll zoom in so we can see it. That little baby screw right there. So there's that little baby screw. Alright, so we need to remove that. Have the tool to do that. It's coming out. Alright, there's the screw. Now with that out, we should be able to get the connector out right here. Oh, I did it. Okay. I'm not going to cut the force touch sensor because I need to know if I can get it around the screen. And I can't yet. So there is the broken force touch sensor. Here's the new, shiny new force touch sensor. Shiny, new, fabulous force touch. I'm peeling this off because there isn't one of those on the other one. I guess I should have read the instructions. Alright, so now I need to dry set this before I go ape-a-poo on it. To make sure. I'm not going to take off the adhesives. I'm going to do that after I get it in the watch, because I can always take off the adhesive and then push it in. So there it is. What I'm going to do is take off just the bottom adhesive first. Alright, so that is in the wrong spot. So I'm glad I did that. How does that work? Where's the old one? Here's the old one. Old one is like this. New one's like that. Oh, that's interesting. It goes and it folds like so. So the new one, the old one, let's show you. The old one, it sits like this, and see how it's folded? How it's folded. And then the new one, I need to fold the same way. It's going to fold like that and go into place. Just like so. Alright, here we go. We're going, we're doing it, we're feeling good. Alright. Okay, and then this goes in like so. Now I'm going to use the tweezers because there's no power. And I like the tweezers better than the plastic spooger thing. Shame on me, right? Right. Okay, so this is in there like this. Oh, it's in. Okay, now I need the screw. Oh, baby. Get the screw ready. Three-sided screw. It's not a Phillips, it's a tri. It's a tri-tip. Wish it was big as a tri-tip. Making me hungry for a tri-tip. Alright. And then we stick this into here. And we screw in righty to tighty. So that's it. So now what I'm going to do is remove the adhesive from underneath. And to do that, I'm going to need some baby scissors, which I happen to have, baby scissors. These are Swiss made, by the way. Alright, so zoom out a little bit so that we don't lose frame as much. Now we're going to remove the adhesive from the bottom. Difficult than I thought. Wow, so on the top ones come off really easy, but the bottom one not so much. Alright. I think I'm getting it. There it comes. Alright, so now I'm going to snippity snip that. And there it is. Okay, so now I'm going to press this into place. Very gently, because it's fragile. Okay. Look at me. Look at me. I feel like I'm that strange Scotty from Strange Parts right now. Maybe I'm channeling him in to help. Okay. I think we're good. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is, now that I got that piece in there, and I'm happy that it's in, yes, I am happy that it's in, I am now going to put the battery in. So here's the battery. There's an adhesive on the bottom already. That will help you orient it. And so, oh, I need to do my trick. Here, that. Oh yeah, that's the bacon right there. And then we will put this like this. I've already checked this once, but I checked it to make sure there's no contacts on either side, so I could use these tweezers safely. Put this in. People are probably yelling at me right now saying, no, don't do that, you're going to short it out. You're going to kill yourself. Alright, the battery is in. Now we will stick this in like this. Yes! My precious. Alright, I'm going to go throw this on the charger and see if I get anything on the screen. If I do, then I will stick the screen on and we'll be done. BRB. Alright, I got it back together. I got the tape off. I put in my passcode. And the touchscreen still works. And now we'll try Force Touch. Maybe. Force Touch worked. It got to the customize screen. Look at that. Woo! Alright, I'm going to put this back on the charger. And then I'm going to polish it up. See how it looks. In fact, I can try the polish now. Then we can end the video there. Polish, polish, polish. I made you out of clay. Alright, I'm going to try this Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. It's not quite as abrasive as others. I'm going to use a Q-tip to polish it. That's what I polish the die-cast cars with. Give that a shot. Just going to do a little spot right here. Not too bad. I'll have some more polishing to do. But it does look like it did something. Alright, so we'll connect it back to the power source. Let it charge up. It looks like I got a working battery again. So I was able to fix an Apple Watch Series 0 with the ifixit toolkit. With all this ifixit stuff. Thank you, ifixit. And I hope you can fix a watch too. Alright, some final words on the install or the battery replacement. It wasn't that hard, but I'm sure if the battery that I had before didn't pop up and pop the screen off, it would have been a lot more difficult. So be aware of that. I'm sure I didn't do it right, but it is working, so we're good there. Make sure you follow the instructions on ifixit, and if you have trouble, contact them through the chat. The last thing I want to share is on battery disposal. Home Depot and Lowe's has a little container you can put batteries in, and they'll properly dispose of them for you. So there is no excuse anymore really for throwing these away into the landfill. Go ahead and drop them off at Home Depot or Lowe's, and hopefully they'll recycle them for you properly. And that way you don't have to worry about it anymore, and you feel like you're doing the right thing. The iFixit had all the tools I need to do it. The tools I used, because because it already popped off the screen, is obviously I needed a new battery. I needed a new pressure plate for the 3D touch. I needed the battery, and I used the spalooger thing. I also used the iFixit tweezers, and I used the pick, this right here, in order to get the battery out. So that's what I used to get it to work, or to get it changed out. I hope this video helped you and made it so you weren't quite as scared to do it. But if you're inclined to fix things like that, you should be able to do it Wasn't that bad. Good luck. Let me know in the comments if you were able to do it or not. Let me know. Thank you. Thank you for watching Read the Factory Manual. If you made it this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button to subscribe. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. You didn't like the video, why are you still here at the end? But if you didn't like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs down button twice to really tell me you didn't like it. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoy all the other videos that are coming up.